Hey guys, I'm back with another video for y'all, and don't mind this couple of forward tests I took, but today essentially, sorry if I'm a bit quiet, but essentially what I'm going to be showing y'all is one of my conferences that I use called PO3, or you can say AMD. So this is one of the craziest conferences that exists in trading. It is probably the best conference out there, and I'm going to be teaching you a little bit about it. And these are just one of the four tests I took. Let me go through this trader with you actually. Actually, we'll go through this later. Let me teach you AMD over here. We have A. A stands for accumulation, right? This is what the A stands for. So this usually looks like prices ranging in a zone, consolidating, and just not really going anywhere within the markets. So this is what I like to call accumulation. Let's move this under here. This right here. So this accumulation. Right now we have distribution, manipulation, right? Manipulation, right? This is what we call manipulation, and this is when we usually see that we have our accumulation, right? We usually see price either coming lower or price coming higher. So it would either come lower or higher. In this case, we'll keep it as a bearish manipulation leg move. So this is accumulation, manipulation, and finally distribution. D for distribution. Usually have our accumulation move, we have our manipulation, and then we have our distribution move where we come lower. So this would be A and D. We have accumulation, A and manipulation, D distribution. Accumulation is where we're just consolidating. Manipulation is where we take out left buy side or sell side liquidity. And then distribution is where we're coming down to kind of fill these sell side or buy side orders, right? Let's look for some examples within the market. So actually, let's go over this forward test I took. So we had our accumulation leg, right? We accumulated, okay? We manipulated to these highs. The thing is, we had bearish confluences. So I didn't want to, we kind of manipulated both sides. So this is kind of an easy trade, but I sensed that price was wanting to go higher since that we've just been selling. And the reasons we've been selling is because we're trying to fill the sell side liquidity that we have, where stop losses could potentially be for swing traders, right? So that's why we want to take out that buy side liquidity. That's why we pump down. And now to fill this, we have to fill some sort of imbalance in the market, right? We have this move and we need to fill that imbalance. So price either would come higher or we just continue lower. So I want to see more confirmation of a manipulation move either higher or lower. So I saw that we had a double wick where we took out these lows. So I said our manipulation move was down rather than up, right? So I waited for more confluences. We had a nice inverse fair value gap right here. Waited for a retest of this inverse fair value gap. I entered. We did come into drawdown a little bit, but one thing I would have waited for was maybe a break of structure to the upside. So I could have entered here, honestly, which would have been much better. Entered approximately here, which would have been much better. But honestly, I entered here, did four tests, we took our take profit, and we took our low hanging fruit. This one, don't even want to talk about it. Honestly, price was just last night was just moving crazy bearish. I entered around like said 3 hours, so like right here, this is like 9 or 10 p.m. Honestly, I have no clue how to enter. I was high off the wickets, but for that's pretty much it for the four tests that we can learn. So back to accumulation, manipulation, distribution. We can use this on multiple time frames. We can use this on the 15-minute time frame. I'll show you a couple examples. We have accumulation, we have manipulation, and we're still waiting for that distribution move higher. So that's what we're waiting for, right? So let's go down here. How does it like this? Oh, so it's overhead. hieroglyphics. Yeah, on the did on the four. It's hieroglyphics. So that's pretty much it for AMD. Honestly, really simple confluence. You just have to understand that the market likes to manipulate, accumulate, and distribute in three ways. We have our accumulation, we have our manipulation, and we have our distribution move. So you definitely want to look out for those type of confluences that we can see within the market, right? Another time right here where we have our accumulation leg, we have our manipulation move lower, and then we have our distribution move higher, right? So that's what we want to look for. We want to look for simple confluence where we can see either we buy or sell. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Join the Discord down below. I'll leave a little description for y'all, link, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.